Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to the beach. Yes, we have our food ready, our drinks ready, and time to go. Yes, so today the weather is really nice. The sky is blue and the grass is all green. It's hot though because it's summer. Yes, and we're going to go to Warai Sand Beach. Yes, it's a beautiful beach in Warai. The last time we went to Warai Aquarium, so we saw the beach on the way to Warai Aquarium, and I told hubby, yes, we're going to come here. So we got to our destination. Everywhere was looking so beautiful, relaxing, and nice. So yes, we want to have a great time. Yeah. So this is the view. This is my view. Yes, you can see my husband. We are looking for a spot to set up. Yes, we left home really late. We left home like around 4 because of the sun. Yes, we didn't want to stay inside the sun. We just wanted to have fun, and we got to the beach at 5. Yes, and we had to eat first as usual. This is me in all my glory, taking pictures and dancing and having fun. Yes, so after then we decided to pack up and change to our swimwear. Yes. Oh, so I really don't like going into the water because I'm really scared, but I had to hold on to the rope. Yes. Just for me to get over my fear. And one time the water was really strong and I was so nervous, but I got over it, and this is me having fun, shooting water guns, and yes. We really had fun. This is the view. Look at my husband and I playing like kids. Yes, it was so fun to be at the beach. I really enjoyed myself. Of course, my husband had to do his stunts. Just see him jumping and playing. How amazing is the sunset? Everywhere looks so beautiful. I've never been at the beach in the evening, so this is so beautiful to watch. And I was picking seashells. Yes, I got so obsessed with the seashells. When I knew seashells were at the beach. So this is the seashells that I picked. I had my husband put it in his pocket. Yes. And we're done for the day. Everywhere looks so beautiful, and we're saying goodbye to the place, heading home after a long and wonderful evening at the beach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. I appreciate you all. Catch you next time.